So that tube that runs behind the pharynx, behind the trachea, that's the esophagus. The esophagus comes on down, goes behind the heart, goes through the diaphragm, so deep, the pin stuck in the diaphragm. Just beneath the diaphragm is the liver, and in the cat the liver is just huge, and you can see it here, and there's lobes of the liver separated by these crevices. And between two of the lobes, is the gallbladder. The little pin in is in the gallbladder. Down below the liver, you find the stomach, and so this tube right here, it's got a J-shaped stomach. At the bottom of the stomach is the pylorus, and it ends with the pyloric sphincter. And from that point down, this is the duodenum of the small intestine. The small intestine winds around and winds around. It is normally covered by this sheet of membrane, and this is the greater omentum that covers the small intestine like that. But we'll peel it back away so we can see. And the small intestines are held in place by a series of membranes that suspend the small intestine in the abdominal cavity, and that is the mesentery. All of these are referred to as the mesenteries of the small intestine. So that would be pin M. You see there, M. It's in that mesentery. So if I move the small intestine out of the way, you can see a larger tube back at the back, and that's the large intestine. So I put the C pin in the colon. And then as the colon disappears down in the pelvic cavity, you can see that I put the pin R there to show where the rectum might be. And those are the parts that we want to be aware of.
Thank you.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you. That's the best view. Can you see?